Apple MacBook Pro with Touch Bar. This 13-inch MacBook Pro with Touch Bar is a perfect option if you are looking for a laptop to edit photos on. It also features Touch Bar, a thin OLED display at the top of the keyboard, which can be used for any other purposes or used for Touch ID, so you can log into your PC with your fingerprint. This laptop is perfect for editing photos since it has a number of Photoshop shortcuts, such as being able to quickly select a color or change the opacity of the layer by sweeping your finger. MacBook Pro 15-inch. This 15-inch laptop comes with Intel's latest 9th generation processors. It also features Touch ID and an improved Touch Bar, plus upgradeable to 4TB of double SD storage for seamless photo editing experience. Sadly, this laptop does not come with double SD card port, but you still get to Thunderbolt 3 on this laptop. HP Spectre X36015T. This laptop from HP is packed with 8th generation Intel Core i7 CPU, an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 Ti graphics, and 8GB of RAM in its base configuration. This 2-in-1 can handle your daily workload and light gaming experience. It also has perfect options to edit your pictures with Lightroom and Photoshop. Huawei MateBook X Pro. This gorgeously designed laptop is packed with cutting-edge components that give brilliant performance and a longer battery life. This laptop also has a competitive price tag and has excellent features for photo editing. Microsoft Surface Book 2. This Surface Book 2 is surely one of the best laptops for photo editing. It comes with a full version of Windows 10 installed and can run Photoshop without any issues. This laptop also packed with 3000 x 2000 resolution, which is perfect for viewing APS-C and full-frame images. The screen on this laptop is also touch sensitive, but the Surface Pen stylus does not come included with this laptop, so you have to buy it separately. Dell XPS 15. This 15-inch laptop's price depends on which version you want to purchase. The very top-end version has a 4K color-accurate display, which makes it one of the best laptops for photo editing. This laptop from Dell also has impressive specifications that can handle any photo editing tasks.